In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Chrome extensions on Brave browser. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the Chrome Web Store, pick the right extension, and add it to Brave safely and confidently. First, open the Brave browser on your computer. Extensions work on the desktop version of Brave, so make sure you're not on mobile. With Brave open, head to the address bar and search for Chrome Web Store. You can also type the official address directly if you know it, but searching is an easy way to get there. In the results, click the official Chrome Web Store link. It's the one hosted by Google and is the trusted marketplace for extensions that work with Chromium-based browsers like Brave. Once you're in the store, you can browse categories or use the search box at the top left to find what you need. When you see an extension you're interested in, click its listing to open the details page. Take a moment to read the description, check the screenshots, skim recent reviews, and look at the last updated date to make sure it's actively maintained. Most importantly, review the permissions the extension requests so you understand what access it needs. When you're ready to install, click the button that says Add to Brave. Depending on your version, it may look similar to the Chrome button you see in the store, but Brave handles the install just fine. A confirmation window will pop up listing the permissions again. This is your chance to double-check. If you're comfortable, click Add Extension. Brave will download and install it, and you should see a brief notification confirming it's been added. After installation, you might want the extension's icon to always be visible. Click the small puzzle icon in the top right corner of Brave to open the Extensions menu, then pin the extension so it stays on your toolbar. If you ever need to manage or remove extensions, open the menu and go to Extensions, or type Brave/Extensions in the address bar. There you can disable, remove, or adjust site access for each extension. If something doesn't install, make sure Brave is up to date, refresh the Web Store page, or try again in a new window. A few extensions may require you to sign into their service, or might not be compatible with Brave's privacy features. You can also adjust site permissions if prompted. That's it. You've learned how to open Brave, find the Chrome Web Store, choose your extension, and add it to Brave with a single confirmation. Thanks for watching, and enjoy customizing your browser.